This is a quick tutorial on how to add custom questions to your end-of-course evaluations for this semester. To get started, I can click the EvaluationKit dashboard within my any Canvas course, or the link that came in the email that was sent to you from EvaluationKit, letting you know that custom questions were now open to add to any of your courses. Those will come out 7 days before your students will be receiving the survey, which does come out 14 days before the course end date. So there's various times that those will come out. To get started, you need to add a survey to your account. This can be specific to just one class or general to any of your courses. That's up to you. You can have as many surveys as you want. So we're going to click the Create and Manage Surveys link here at the top, and we're going to click Begin. So you give it a title. I'll choose My Custom Questions and click Save New. Okay, now I need to select a question type. I'm going to go with single selection. And how effective was the dynamic study modules from Mastering Biology for preparing you for your exams? Okay, it can be anything that you want it to be. Alright, so these go in ascending order. So you want to start with the negative at the top and go to the bottom, or you can type it, positive to the negative, but then need to click the reverse code responses down here so that it goes in descending value. Okay, so we're going to just keep it like this and say this was not effective. Somewhat effective. Neutral. Effective. And very effective. Okay. I can add other options on here, like did not use the dynamic study modules, or depending on the question, and then I can make this a required question, so students have to answer it before they can go on, and you may choose to do that. Right now it's by unchecking that it's optional, and then you can have the options, the response options, vertically or horizontally listed. The rest of the survey is the vertical, so we'll keep it like that, and then the Save button is up here at the top. Okay, so now that question is added, and I could keep adding other questions to this particular survey. So I have multiple selection, where they could say questions like, please choose all of the activities that you utilize to study for your exams, and they can check any activity or however that will work. The matrix type question, you define your scale, and then you can have multiple questions tied to that, so that if they have several that are strongly agree to strongly disagree, and you want to just have one matrix question where they say please rate all of the following, that's what you would use. A numeric selection, or you have the open-ended text response where students can just write any other kind of feedback. And then you have the survey label, which just allows you to put in text in between questions, or some more that's not tied to a particular question. Once you're all done adding all of your questions, click Save. Okay, so it's now saved, and then I'm going to click Exit. It's going to give me a warning to say, hey, don't forget to attach this survey to the project. Okay, so the next step is, now that I have my survey complete, I need to attach it to the survey. So I'll click Attach Surveys to Projects, click on this fall, and so no surveys are found, so I'm going to add a custom question survey. Okay, there's my custom questions. I'll click Select, scroll down and do Select Courses, and so nothing specific has been selected yet, so I'm going to click Select Courses. There's my class. I'll do Add Selected Courses, and now it tells me you've successfully added a custom question survey to your courses. Click OK to continue. Okay, So now I have my custom questions, okay, and it's attached to one course. Okay, and if I ever forget which ones I added it to, I can click that link and see that appear. Okay, so if you're using it in all of your courses, you may have 4 or 5 courses listed there, or I can edit that particular survey on that. So this is, I'm ready to go on once the survey launches in about 7 days. The students will get an email letting them know it's time to take that, and this question will be listed in there for their survey. If you have any questions about utilizing EvaluationKit and setting up your custom questions, just let us know at onlineservices@sanjuancollege.edu. Thanks.